A production worker once again experiences a production stoppage at their workstation. This time they are missing the necessary capacitors to complete their manufacturing order. Imagine an app that allows the production worker to quickly and easily receive the needed capacitors from the appropriate expert directly at their workstation. 4Com Enisco supports companies in discrete manufacturing in increasing efficiency and value creation through optimized order processes. With 30 years of experience, our solutions enable flexible production and more resilient supply chains. Our new shop floor app, Solve4SF, empowers your factory teams to quickly and directly resolve unexpected shop floor downtimes. Together, the production worker can request support directly at their shop floor terminal. Using Solve4SF, they trigger a notification in the form of a ticket to a logistics expert and request a specific quantity of capacitors so they can complete their order as quickly as possible. The responsible expert in logistics receives the notification via their preferred channel, such as email or Microsoft Teams, and can directly support the worker's request for help. The ticket management system provides the expert with targeted information about the problem. Using the comment function, the expert replies to the production worker, confirming that the needed capacitors are already on their way. Solve4ShopFloor's ticket system enables rapid alerting of the responsible expert, significantly reducing response times during downtimes by up to 40% depending on the type of disruption. With the ticket analysis feature, the senior production manager gains a data-driven overview of the duration and frequency of recurring disruptions on the shop floor and can initiate targeted process improvements. Thanks to Solve4SF, the production worker successfully received the capacitors and can now complete their order on time. Explore the functionalities of Solve4SF in a personalized demo session by scanning the QR code.